Panilam.
Hello everyone. How are you all? Today we are going to start for the first class second lesson. And what is our lesson name is Sehat or Parivar. What is the lesson name? Sehat or Parivar. What is the meaning of Sehat? Sehat means health. What is the meaning of Sehat? Health. And what is the meaning of Parivar? Parivar means family. What is the meaning of Parivar? Family. That means to be very healthy, we have to eat some very good food. We should not eat all junk food. We have to eat all the vegetables, fruits, and the food which gives you good energy. Okay, healthy foods you have to eat. And what is the meaning of Parivar is family. If everybody eat good food, healthy food, only then you should be healthy. Only if you eat good food, you will be healthy. So, today we are going to just learn regarding that. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, it's a brinjal. What it is? Brinjal. What do you call brinjal? Brinjal. Brinjal means baingan. What is brinjal, Nana? In Hindi we call brinjal as baingan. And can you tell me what is this? Yes, it's a lady's finger. What it is? Lady's finger. And what do you call this in Hindi? Bhindi. What do you call lady's finger? Bhindi. Lady's finger is bhindi. Okay. Next. Tell me, what is this? Yes, it's a bitter gourd. What it is? Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd means Karela. We have in our textbooks Ka se Karela. So bitter gourd means Karela. Bitter gourd means what? Karela. And what is this one? Yes, it's a carrot. What it is? Carrot. And what do you call carrot? Carrot means gajar. Okay, carrot means what? Gajar. And you may be knowing gajar ka halwa, carrot halwa. Okay, and what is this one? What is this? Yes, it's dhania. What it is? Dhania means coriander. Okay, what it is? Coriander leaves means dhania. What is that? Dhania means coriander leaves. To make the dish so delicious, after adding salt and mirchi powder, we even add coriander leaves to get a good smell of the dish. So, we have learnt some of the vegetables here. In our lesson, he is going to explain you what kind of food and what do you get if you eat all these vegetables. Okay, Nana? So, please go see here. Just once we will read the complete poem, then we will learn the meanings. What are those? बोली दादी बोले दादा, हाथ में लेकर सब्जी ताज़ा, बढ़ेगी ताकत खाकर गाजर, करेला पालक और टमाटर, ताकतवर हम बन जाएंगे, सेहतमंद फिर कहलाएंगे। बोली दादी बोले दादा, हाथ में लेकर सब्जी ताज़ा, बढ़ेगी ताकत खाकर गाजर, करेला पालक और टमाटर, ताकतवर हम बन जाएंगे, सेहतमंद फिर कहलाएंगे. Is it good? Yes, I hope you all loved it. Now see here, Boli Dadi. What is the meaning of Dadi? Dadi means grandmother. What is the meaning of Dadi? Grandmother. Bole Dada. Dada means grandfather. What is the meaning of Dada? Grandfather. We got here Dada, Dadi means grandfather and grandmother. What they are doing? Boli and here Bole. Bole means saying something. What your grandparents will say, Nana, you have to do like this. They will say to you. Right? They will tell you so many stories. So here also what they are saying, what your grandmother and grandfather are saying. Boli means saying. What they are saying? हाथ में लेकर सब्जी ताज़ा. Sabzi means vegetables and taza means fresh. If you just pluck a flower from the plant just within few seconds, then how the flower looks? It looks so fresh. In the same way, if you go to a Raitu Bazaar to buy some vegetables, just now if they bring the vegetables, they look so fresh. You can see that. So here, what the Dada and Dadi is saying, they are holding the vegetables. Haath mein lekar. They have taken some vegetables in the hand and they are saying, by taking all the vegetables in their hand, fresh vegetables, what they are saying? Badhegi taakat. Badhegi means what? Increase. Means it will grow. You will get more energy. Taakat yani ki energy. Badhegi taakat. You will get more energy. Khakar gajar. Gajar means, I told just now, carrot means gajar. So, khakar, if you eat carrot, you will get lot of energy. You can see even in our pictures also, when you see the picture of a carrot, he is saying, yes, you will get lot of energy. So, here what they are saying, if you eat gajar, you get more energy. Karela, palak or tomato. Karela means bitter gourd. What is the meaning of Karela? Bitter gourd. Palak means spinach. It is a leafy vegetable. How we have curry leaves and how you have coriander leaves, like that spinach, palak. We even say the same in Telugu also almost. So, palak means spinach. Or tomato. Tomato means tomato. What is the meaning of tomato, Nana? Tomato. So, if you see these vegetables, Karela, palak or tomato, not only carrot, if you eat bitter gourd, if you eat palak and if you eat tomato, you will get lot of energy. It gives you energy and it is very healthy to you. ताकतवर हम बन जाएंगे. ताकतवर. What happens if you drink milk? You get energy. You will run so fast. You will be so active. In the same way, if you eat all the vegetables, then you will become so strong. ताकतवर. We become so strong. हम बन जाएंगे. We become so strong if you eat all the vegetables. सेहतमंद फिर कहलाएंगे. कहलाना means to say. If anybody looks at you, they will say by observing you, oh, he is so healthy. You are looking so healthy. You eat so healthy food? Yes. In the same way here they are saying, if you eat all the vegetables, sehatmand yani ki healthy. What is the meaning of sehatmand, Nana? Healthy. सेहतमंद फिर कहलाएंगे. If you eat all the vegetables, then you feel so happy and you will become so healthy also. So, what the Dada and Dadi are saying, by taking all the vegetables, you have to eat all the vegetables. By eating gajar, tomato, spinach and bitter gourd, you get healthy, you get lot of energy and you become so strong and you will be called as a healthy person. And do you think that you have to eat all the vegetables? Yes, definitely, because if you eat vegetables, in each vegetable you have got so many different kinds of vitamins and minerals. So, if you eat all the vegetables, then only you will get all the vegetables to your body which is needed. for growing. Okay, and most of the first class children, what they do, teacher, we don't like this. So you should not say that. You have to eat all the vegetables to get energy, to become strong and to be very healthy. Okay, children, shall we read once again the poem? Okay. बोली दादी बोले दादा, हाथ में लेकर सब्जी ताज़ा, बढ़ेगी ताकत खाकर गाजर, करेला पालक और टमाटर, ताकतवर हम बन जाएंगे, सेहतमंद फिर कहलाएंगे. Okay, so this is our poem, but I want to give you some information here. You have in your textbook, okay, Sehat aur Parivar. You can see here in the textbook also. Here is Dada and here is Dadi. They came to buy some vegetables. By coming there, they are explaining to the children what kind of vegetables you have to eat. See, you can see this kind of scene in the Raitu Bazaar or wherever you find more vegetables. And you have here, this is called as a palak. Okay, and this is tomato and karela. Okay, and let us learn some more vegetable names. See, what do you call potato? You don't have these in your textbook, but just to give you extra information, I am telling. What do you mean by potato? Aloo. What it is? Aloo. And what is bottle gourd? Do you know what is bottle gourd? Bottle gourd means, you can see here like this. Yes, you have bottle gourd. What it is like a long one you have in you can see. Okay, it's called as a lauki. Okay, what it is? Lauki. Okay, and what is angular gourd? Oh, sorry. And what is drumsticks? Do you know what are drumsticks? Mostly we eat these. Sahajan. What do we call? Drumsticks. Sahajan. And most of you like this. Peas. Matar. We already learnt in our letters. Ma se matar. Yes. So, these are the vegetables which we eat more. Okay. Most of the children like these, and tomato we already have. So, you can learn these vegetable names also if you want. Okay. And try to learn so that you can get the vegetable names at the starting age. Okay, children. So, please go through your textbook and learn what do we call the vegetables in Hindi, and learn even the poem also. Okay. Thank you.